everyone. So I have a bunch of Valentine's Day nail stamping plates because I don't know, I'm not really in the winter mood, but I don't know, it's just rainy and like not cold, but it's been cold. So anyways, I don't know, I just feel like doing some Valentine's Day nails. So I was just switching my plates like I always do. So you guys have to let me know if you need help with any, you want to see some designs, ideas. So I got these in the mail yesterday. They're from Bohemia Stamping. I'm so excited. They're my first ones from her. She's amazing. If you don't know these plates, check them out on Instagram. She's awesome. And the stamping plates are like literally always amazing, and they always have like the pretty girl images that I love. So I got Woodland Love, so cute with the little animals, and then Valentine's again with all the girls. So excited. So I got those, and then I pulled out 3 Maniology plates, which I spilled my box, so I'm pretty sure I have more, but I didn't feel like digging through because these kind of landed together, so who knows. I have M563, which I swear I used last year, but maybe not. And then I have M348, which I did use because I used the little whale. I love this plate. It has such cute little sayings. And then an older plate, it's Bundle Monster, which was Maniology before. XL324 with all these cute little like heart thingies. And then I took out some Uber Chic Beauty ones, the Conversation Hearts, which is hilarious because there's like cute ones and then like, you sure, it's not me, it's you, buy me polish, red flags. So I like this one because it's not just like the cutesy ones, and then there's different sizes, so that's awesome. Took out a French tip because who doesn't like French tips? Took out some flowers because I saw it and I forgot about it, and I like this plate. And then I was thinking about doing some like plaid nails for winter as well, because I still want to do winter, just not right now. So I took out those, and then Uber Chick Still, Be My Valentine. Such a cute plate. I love these ones. And then Queen of Hearts. I like this one, especially with this like huge one right there. I haven't done that one yet, but I want to. And then like a smaller version. And then, of course, I have to. Oh wait, no, that's an extra one. Okay, so, and then of course, I have clear jelly. So I have the smaller one, V56. It's the neon one. I think I got this after Valentine's Day last year, so I didn't do it, but the roses on there are super cute, and like the lips and stuff. And then V22, which is like this, the pop art one. So that's what it looks like. I really like this one. And then the different lips are cute. Like that. And then V54. So just some bigger images. And then I have 383 out, which is like a spring postage one. But you can use these plates for literally anything. So you can... I like the little designs on the circles and stuff, so I was like maybe going to replace them with flowers. And then this one is 72 because I like these bigger swirly images down here, but then I forgot my nails were short. So yeah, I don't know, you can still use, those are cute. I love this one because different kind of French tips. Again, I took out some plaid plates. So I have 276 and did I hit the camera? Sorry. And 375. So if you need help with those, let me know. Obviously, you can spell out words. So I took out CJS 40. And then this for some like backgrounds, $3.95, so that would be really pretty for some nice, simple, cute ones. Bows. Who doesn't like bows? So $3.77. And then I have V21, which are some cute backgrounds as well. I like that one. This one I think I used last year and I freaking loved it so much. I think I used this image here. It's limited edition 12, which it might have came in the Valentine's Day box. I'll have to look, but if you have this and you need help, let me know. I love this one. I am for sure using this one, a V52. I did the hands last year in like Better With You, I think. Maybe the lips. I want to do the cats because I am a huge cat person. I love dogs too though, but I'm a cat girl. Well, unless they're like huge dogs, because I've always grown up around big dogs. Anyways, so V53, all these cute, yummy candy for Valentine's Day. And then can't go wrong with V55, all of these hearts. And I know I have a bunch of other plates too, but a lot of these, well, like half of them, I don't know. A lot of them I haven't used, especially these two. Obviously I just got them. So I want to do some designs with some of the plates that I haven't used. So I don't remember. I think I've used this before because that's super, super old. Because Bundle Monster, I mean, there were some of the first plates that I bought besides Clear Jelly Stamper. So super awesome. And then they changed their name to Maniology and it still confuses me sometimes. But anyways, so if you need help with any of these, let me know and I'm gonna start posting because I have videos done. Can't remember which order or what. So some are gonna be Valentine's Day. These I just got. I don't know when I'm posting these videos, but I'll have to do those. So yeah, look for winter ones and Valentine's Day ones. And if you want to see anything else, let me know. All right, bye.